Calculating Volume from Titrations by KayScience.com. Concentration in moles per decimeters cubed equals number of moles of solute, mole, divided by volume of solution, decimeters cubed. The symbol for concentration is a lowercase c. The symbol for number of moles or amount of moles of the solute is a lowercase n, and the symbol of volume is a capital V. We can put this equation into a formula triangle where this line represents divides by and this line represents multiplied by. So concentration equals amount of moles divided by volume. So this line represents divides by and this line represents multiplied by. To calculate concentration, we put our finger over the C. So C equals N divided by V. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Here is a potential exam style question that you could get in the exam, where it's saying 25.0 centimeters cubed of 0.4 moles per decimeter cubed of potassium hydroxide solution reacts with 1 mole per decimeter cubed of sulfuric acid. What is the volume of sulfuric acid needed for complete neutralization? And here is a balanced symbol equation. Well, the first thing to do is to write down the formula triangle where volume equals amount in mole divided by concentration. We can see the question is focusing on potassium hydroxide, KOH, and sulfuric acid, H2SO4. So underneath we write KOH and H2SO4, where we write N, V, and C underneath each substance. Amount in mole, volume, and concentration. The question tells us we have 25 cubic centimeters of potassium hydroxide, so we write 25.0 cubic centimeters next to the capital V. There is 0.4 moles per decimeters cubed of potassium hydroxide, so we write 0.4 moles per decimeter cubed next to the concentration. The question tells us there is 1 mole per decimeter cubed of sulfuric acid, so we write 1 mole per decimeter cubed next to the concentration. And then the question says, what is the volume of sulfuric acid needed for complete neutralization? So we write a question mark next to the capital V, volume, under H2SO4, as this is what we're trying to figure out. Because we've been given the volume in centimeters cubed, and the concentrations in moles per decimeter cubed, we have to convert the 25 centimeters cubed into decimeters cubed. We do this by writing 25.0 centimeters cubed divided by 1000 equals 0.025 decimeters cubed. So here we now write 0.025 decimeters cubed. Now we can calculate the amount in mole of the potassium hydroxide, and the equation shows us that amount in mole equals concentration times volume. So N equals 0.025 decimeters cubed times 0.4 moles per decimeter cubed. This equals 0.01 mole. So now we write 0.01 mole next to the N. To figure out the moles of H2SO4, we use the balanced symbol equation, where there is a ratio of 2 to 1. So the 0.01 mole needs to be divided by 2. Therefore, the amount in moles of H2SO4 is 0.005 moles. To calculate the concentration of H2SO4, we then do 0.005 moles divided by 1 mole per decimeter cubed. This equals a volume of 0.005 decimeters cubed. So the final volume is 0.005 decimeters cubed. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets, and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.